Hello students, welcome to Well Explained Pedia. Today I am here with class 9th maths chapter probability, and in this video I am going to introduce the topic. Now students, what is probability? Probability is the branch of maths that studies patterns of chance. The idea of probability is based on observation. Probability describes what happens over many trials. Probability means possibility. कहते हैं ना हम लोग chances क्या हैं? Suppose we are tossing a coin. तो क्या chance है कि उसमें heads आएंगे या क्या chances है कि उसमें tails आएंगे? तो ये जो चीजें हम पढ़ते हैं that we study under the topic probability. Now what is probability? It is a measure of how often a particular event will happen if something is done repeatedly. Means अगर हम कोई काम दोबारा repeat कर रहे हैं, दोबारा कर रहे हैं, तो क्या chances हैं कि वो particular event होंगे या नहीं होंगे? Okay. If an event is certain to happen, then its probability is 1. अगर कोई इवेंट ऐसा है कि पता है कि वो 100% होना ही होना है तो उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होगी 1. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हाट इज द चांस दैट द सन राइज इन ईस्ट टुमारो? अब सनराइज इन ईस्ट टुमारो का तो कोई मतलब ही नहीं बनता है ना. सन ऑलवेज राइजेस इन द ईस्ट, तो उसकी चांसेस क्या है 1. दैट इज 100%. दैट इज द इवेंट इज श्योर टू हैपन. Now, if an event is not certain to happen, then its possibility is 0. अगर कोई event certain to happen है कि 100% होगा ही होगा, जैसे sun will rise in the east only, तो उसकी probability 1 है. और अगर मैं कहूँ कि the sun will set in the east tomorrow, तो उसकी probability 0 है क्योंकि sun कभी भी east में set नहीं होता. It always sets in west. तो अगर कोई 100% श्योर है कोई प्रोबेबिलिटी किसी चीज की कि वो चीज होगी ही होगी, तो उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी 1 होती है. और कोई चीज अगर ऐसी है जो हो ही नहीं सकती, इट्स इम्पॉसिबल टू हैपन, देन इट्स प्रोबेबिलिटी इज सेड टू बी 0. एंड इस 1 और 0 के बीच में भी बहुत सारे चांसेस होते हैं कि अगर मैं कहूँ कल बारिश होगी, अब बारिश हो भी सकती है और नहीं भी हो सकती है. तो probability is always between 0 and 1. 0 and 1 means 0 for uncertain, 1 for certain events, and 0 to 1 के बीच में जो आएगी probability, that will be for likely or more likely, or 50-50% chances are there. The formula for calculating probability is PE. P stands for probability, E for an event, number of outcomes favorable to the E, and number of all the possible outcomes of the experiment. How can we describe probability? We can describe the probability of an event with the following terms. कुछ terms हैं जो हम use करते हैं while describing the probability. The first one is certain. That means the event is definitely going to happen. Okay. And the last one is impossible. That is the event is definitely not going to happen. इसके बीच में दो terms और हैं, likely जिसके chances ज्यादा हैं, ठीक है, बट डेफिनेट नहीं है कि वो होगा या नहीं होगा. और अनलाइकली, द इवेंट विल प्रोबेबली नॉट हैपन बट इट माइट मीन्स जिसके चांसेस कम है पर वो भी हो भी सकता है. मीन्स इम्पॉसिबल नहीं है बट द चांसेस आर लेस, अनलाइकली. और इसके बीच में एक और आती है जिसको कहते हैं इवन चांसेस. सपोज इफ आई एम टॉसिंग अ कॉइन, तो हेड आएगा या टेल्स आएगा, दो में से कुछ एक आएगा. तो व्हाट इज द चांसेस? इवन मींस 50-50% चांसेस है. तो सर्टेन फॉर श्योर, इम्पॉसिबल फॉर नॉट श्योर, likely means probability is more to be happen but not definitely, it may not happen. Unlikely, the event will probably not happen means होना नहीं है, but हो सकता है. And even chance, that is 50-50 chances. Usually we express probabilities as fractions. Numerator shows the possible number of ways an event can occur, and the denominator is the total number of possible events that could occur. Let's look at an example. Now, what is the probability that I will choose a red marble? Here in this bag, 3 red marbles are there, 2 white marbles are there, 1 purple marble is there and 4 green marbles are there. और क्या चांसेस है कि मैं इसमें से एक रेड मार्बल ही निकालूंगी. अब प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ इवेंट हमने फॉर्मूला अभी स्टार्टिंग में पढ़ा था. प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एन इवेंट इज नंबर ऑफ सक्सेसफुल आउटकम्स अपॉन टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स. अब सक्सेसफुल आउटकम्स क्या है, हमें क्या चाहिए, हमें चाहिए रेड मार्बल. ओके, अब रेड मार्बल तो 3 है, तो आई विल राइट 3 इन द न्यूमरेटर एंड टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स क्या है, 3 + 2 5, 5 and 1 6 and 4 10, 3 upon 10. So the probability of my taking out a red marble from this bag is 3 upon 10. Now independent events. There are independent events also. Two events are independent if the outcome of event A has no effect on the outcome of event B. Suppose there are two events A and B. तो A का जो outcome है उसका कोई effect नहीं है B के outcome पर. For example, it rained on Tuesday and my chair broke at work. There is no connection of these two events. It rained on Tuesday, Tuesday को बारिश हुई और my chair broke at work, काम पर मेरी चेयर टूट गई. It has no connection. They are not at all related to each other. Therefore, they are known as independent events. When calculating the probabilities for independent events, we multiply the probabilities. Now, what are possible outcomes? The result of a random experiment is called as outcome. For example, if I am tossing a coin, so getting up head or tail is an outcome. If I am throwing a dice and getting a number between 1 to 6, then it is also an outcome. Now, what are the general rules for finding out the probability? Probability is a number between 0 and 1. It is always a number between 0 and 1. The sum of the probabilities of all possible outcomes in a sample space is 1. Okay? जितनी भी probabilities है किसी sample space में, अगर हम उनका total करेंगे तो it will always be 1. The probability that an event does not occur is 1 minus the probability that it does occur. It is also called as the complement of A. Means अगर हमें पता करना है कि कोई event जो है वो नहीं होगी, ठीक है, तो हम कैसे पता करेंगे कि वो नहीं होगी? 1 minus the probability that it does occur. Suppose जैसे अभी हमने पीछे वाले एक इसमें पढ़ा था कि probability I will choose a red marble, it is 3 upon 10. But अगर हमें पता करना है what is the probability that I will not choose a red marble, then what I will do, I will subtract 3 upon 10 from 1. I will get 7 upon 10. The probability of an event does not happen is equal to 1 minus the probability of the event to happen. Okay. Probability of a sure event is always 1 and probability of an impossible event is 0. Now, possible outcomes and counting techniques. If you can do one task in A ways and a second task in B ways, means they are independent tasks, then both tasks can be done in A into B ways. Suppose I am flipping a coin and tossing a die. आप समझ रहे हैं? These two events are totally different. I am flipping a coin and tossing a die. That means the possible outcomes. Flip a coin means either I will get a head or tail. या तो मेरे पास head आएगा या tail आएगा. तो possible outcomes कितनी है? 2. और if I am tossing a die, तो possible outcomes are 6. Okay. तो in both the cases अगर हम इन्हें दोनों की हमें probability निकाल रही है तो we'll multiply 2 and 6, we'll get 12 possible outcomes. So this was an introduction to probability. Keep watching, keep learning, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get notifications. God bless you all.